Bonjour à tous. Today I am going to teach you the words, French words for family members. So all of you be ready for that. First of all, it's very important to tell you the name of that topic in French. So all of you can see very well. Les membres de la famille. Les membres de la famille. Now here also you can see three columns are there. First one, this column, you can see French words are there. Second column, only and only pronunciation to help you. With the help of these words, you can easily read these French words. And third column is English meaning of these French words. So be ready. I must tell you the pronunciation of this first one also. Français, prononciation anglais. Membre, member. Famille, family. Grands-parents, grandparents, grand-père, grandfather, grand-mère, grandmother, petits-enfants, grandchildren, parents, parents, père, father, mère, mother, fils, son, fille, daughter, and it means girl also, frère, brother, sir, sister, oncle, uncle, tante, aunt, enfant, child, femme, wife, and it means woman also, mari, husband, cousin, cousin brother, cousine, cousin sister, neighbor, nephew, niece, niece. Now once again I am going to tell you pronunciation of all these words. First word is membre, famille, grand-parent, grand-père, grand-mère, petits-enfants, parents, père, mère, fils, fille, frère, sœur, oncle, tante, enfant, femme, mari, cousin, cousine, neighbor, niece. Now after every topic, vocabulary topic, you will find exercise part also, in which you have to find out, like you can see here, this les exercices. Question numéro 1, trouver les mots français. What you have to do, you have to find out French words from this table. This drill you have to find out French words, and then you can see here also compléter les mots. So what you have to do, you have to complete the word with the missing letters. So here you can see is MEMBRE. So it is membre. Here also you can see NOMBRE, nombre. Here you can see OCTOBRE, October, October. The same way you will find another exercise. Retrouver les mots, jumble words. Find the words. You have to find out the word, then corriger les fautes, correct the mistakes, and then another exercise you will find like this. Écrivez en anglais. So what you have to do, you have to write down these French words in English. Then activité 6, écrivez en français, write in French. So you can see here English words are there. You have to find out French words for this. So you will get this exercise part also. So it will be easy for you to revise, to memorize all those French words with the help of this type of exercise. So keep practicing with these videos. If you like the video, do like it and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Last but not the least, merci, bonne journée, au revoir.